Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping in, hey, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a review on this Glam and Beauty makeup brush organizer and cleaner. So what we're going to do is open it up and see what it comes with. It does come with this white little tube thing, and then it comes with the organizer, and then it comes with the cleaner itself. Now this cleaner is handheld, or it comes with like a little suction thing at the bottom, and then it comes with this white thing. I guess it's like to hold or drain the brushes once you actually place them in there. I don't know, or maybe it's just cute just to hold it. So here I am just showing you how flexible the actual holes are and how sturdy they are. They are pretty sturdy, which I was happy about because I didn't want my brushes tipping over. Now here I'm just showing you all how to handheld clean your brush. So here I am going on my Eco Tools shampoo. That's my baby in the background, y'all, and I am just cleaning my brushes. I actually liked the handheld kind of version of cleaning it because I was able to apply like enough pressure, or I should say the amount of pressure I would like to use to clean my brushes without worrying about the suction cup is gonna, you know, come loose or whatever. Now here I'm just showing you all how I could place this huge brush into that hole, like, and it is really sturdy. Like, look how I'm just flipping it around, like it's really lightweight and everything. So here I'm just showing you all the suction part of the cleaner. I did have a time with it, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I said previously, like it's kind of hard working with the suction cleaners like this, like the pads, because they like move around easily and it's like kind of annoying. I mean, that's why you have to make sure you have a dry surface when you actually place the suction cup on when you're cleaning your brushes. Otherwise you're gonna have a time like I did. Of course, I'm coming in with my makeup wipes just to wipe off that excess makeup that may be on the brush handle. Y'all know I do not think a brush is fully clean until that handle is clean, because I just cannot. And I do have a makeup brush cleaning tutorial on my page. It's super detailed on how I clean my brushes and sponges. Yeah, y'all should definitely check it out. So here I'm just showing you all how the organizer is looking, and like I said, like the suction cup is really crazy. So yeah, just to be aware on the actual pad itself. Really quick, you all know how I like to wash my small brushes all together just to get the job done faster. So here I'm just showing you all how I do that, you know, holding the actual pad in my hand, and I loved it. Oh my gosh, I loved it so much because it really got the small brushes cleaner, in my opinion. So here I am just showing you all how the brushes are fitting in. They're all different sizes and shapes at the bottom, which is awesome, and this was just so satisfying. I had to leave it in. This is me cleaning my highlighting brush, and y'all, like, I don't know, cleaning your brushes is like therapeutic, but it's also a lot of work. One thing I loved about this cleaning pad was that you were able to kind of like curve it in your hand, where like when you put shampoo on, it'll kind of like stay on the pad, as opposed to the cleaning pad where you like stick on your sink and then like you know how the soap kind of like trickles off of it because it's like angled a certain way. This one you're able to kind of control it, and I'm just showing you all like in the back how your hand is supposed to hold it. It was like really easy to hold. Like I just really I was feeling it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, and I was getting brushes like knocked out. Like, as y'all can see, like the organizer is getting so full, and my brush is gonna dry nice and even. So that's what's up. I like really like this product. I added this next clip just to show y'all that this makeup brush organizer does really fit any brush that you have. Like this brush had a mermaid tail end, and it fit in perfectly. Like, and look how sturdy they are. Like, I love it that they're not like touching each other that much, and they're like not tipping over on each other. Like, they're gonna dry evenly. In conclusion, I give this a 7 out of 10. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.